guys, how are you all doing today? Today is the 9th of January 2023, and I can say it's been a while I vlogged about my day and all that. That's because I've been feeling very sick. Anyways, let me just keep you guys updated sharply. These kids resumed on 5th of January. People never come back from village that time. They shall resumed, and then life started for me again. I started waking up early and all that. But then we are still pushing it like that. This is exactly 1 week to my delivery date. Like by this time next week, I for don't born, this nose for don't reduce. Everybody don't laugh me for this nose. So yesterday, which was the 8th, I did my gender reveal, whatever. That's why these things are still up there. So what else have I been up to? I've gone for my last antenatal. I've just been feeling sick though, pregnancy sickness, but I'm getting better. I think I have a lot to do this week, a lot. But this night I've been trying to make one of my wig like that. I'm almost done with the wig, but I'm having a problem with the closure part because it's a braided wig. I don't know. I'll try and figure out something. So that one is still part of my plans this night. I get more active at night, I think. Like, that's when I'm able to do something. When it's already late, from 7, 8, that's when you see me trying to do something. So I've not packed my baby bag yet, no. But this night, because of these things I want to sterilize, that's why I'm still holding on. So I'm going to sterilize the baby feeding bottles, the breast pumps and all that, and get them ready for packing. Then I think when I'm done buying everything, I've not bought baby formula, I've not bought soap, baby soap, I've not bought few things like that. So when I go to the store and buy everything, then I'll just pack. I think I'm looking at packing on Thursday. I'll just pack. I have to clean the house, like so many things, guys, so many things. I just thought to keep people updated today. So let's start. So I'm going to wash these things. This thing is a bottle rack for drying bottles. I'm going to wash this. I'm going to just to wash it and sterilize it. And this one is basically how about the brushes?
Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need.
So I'm almost done with this part, but I want to do the closure first. But the problem I'm having with this closure now is if I try to plait it, it keeps slipping off. This hair is too slippery. It just slips off. It can't. In fact, I don't know. I'll just have to figure out something. So guys, we went to get some stuff yesterday, and I just wanted to just complete everything I've not bought. So this is the infant formula I bought. It's expensive though. £13. Ha! I also got this small flask. I got this was the biggest size I saw. So I also got it. I've used this pan already. I got it for my samosa wraps. I got this funnel. I was in a rush though, so I wasn't so sure of what I wanted to get as a body wash. I just grabbed anything I saw. I got this body wash from Asda, this baby lotion, and this baby oil. I also got spoons. I wanted to get plates because I prefer using spoon and plates for feeding, but I didn't see the one I wanted, so I'll still look for it. I also got this laundry basket, and I also got this drying rack. Hey, wait.
All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She says she need me like heartbeat. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart. Never. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. It's my baby. That thing so fine.
I finally got to make my wraps. Yesterday I no sleep, I didn't rest. After making so much disaster from the previous one, I finally got to make my wraps. But yesterday I was frustrated. It was not coming out as nice as I wanted it to come out. I almost gave up. In fact, I was like, if I finish eating dinner, I'll just go and pour out the remaining stuff. But something just told me to try it again, you know. And I did. So you see, I got this. If I had thrown it away, I hadn't given it a second try. How I won't take two. So if you want the recipe, for this thing, that means it's me doing it again now. If you want the recipe, I can show you. These ones are not wasted though. In fact, this is the part I like. It's just to fry it. My kids like them so much. Cut them into tiny bits and fry. That's it.
Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She need me like heartbeat. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart. Never. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you. Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Smart baby. That thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gon' do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah. That thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give